Hello everyone, this is Marilyn from Jazzy's Creation Design, and today I'm going to show you how to turn these Dollartree skulls into a centerpiece. Either Day of the Dead or Halloween decorations, a calavera with flores, or la Catrina. So I went ahead and made a circle on top of the skull and cut it out with an X-Acto knife, and then I painted it white with black craft. Now I'm trying to decide what I want to do. If I wanted to add gems, decided that I'm going to add glitter first, because of course everything looks better with glitter on. I am using Folks Art Glitterific, absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to add some gems, some sparkly stones. So I added these pink beads. They're absolutely beautiful. Kind of hard to place, but making it work. This is where you can have fun and just make it your own. Add as much or as little gems you want. I just went ahead and cut it down to size and just placing it. Here's a quick and good to know tip. When you are placing these adhesive pearls or gems, you want to make sure you're careful because it does pull the paint off the plastic skull. But an easy fix, you can always just paint it or place another gem on top of it. You can skim and skip a couple seconds because all I am is placing these gems. Okay, so all you want to do is place the flowers. I already went ahead and rearranged them, and that's it. I love how it turned out. I might or might not go back and add more pearls. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe for more, and visit my blog for more details at jazzycreation.com.